Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by fitting the glove snugly so your fingers still move freely. This matters because control equals clean edges. Once fitted, dab 1-2 drops of paint onto each fingertip pad and spread it thin. The glove holds less than a brush, so less is more. Begin on an inconspicuous test patch to gauge coverage and pressure. As you work, keep fingers slightly curved to mimic a brush stroke. This prevents blobs and gives you consistent, even application while you proceed to larger surfaces. Once you've tested coverage, move into the main area using light, overlapping strokes to build up color uniformly. You do this because thin layers dry faster and reduce drips. Make pressing and lifting motions instead of long drags. This minimizes streaks and gives you better edge control. For curves and tight corners, rotate your wrist and use the fingertip pads individually, which lets you feather paint into creases. As paint accumulates, wipe excess onto a rag and reload lightly to maintain. To finish, feather the outer edges with a nearly dry fingertip to blend and avoid hard lines. This creates a seamless transition because the fabric smears subtly. Once complete, clean the glove immediately using water for water-based paint or the appropriate solvent for oil-based formulas so it remains usable. If you find blobs or high texture, blot excess paint quickly and apply thin corrective coats rather than one heavy layer. If adhesion fails, make sure surface was clean and lightly scuff before reapplying for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.